Vercept Vy is an AI tool that claims to handle digital tasks like messaging, browsing, and auto responses for you. Sounds futuristic, right? But is it actually useful? I tested Vercept Vy for a full week, and here's the scoop. Setup is easy. Connect your accounts and grant permissions. From there, the AI starts suggesting actions and automating small tasks like replying to DMs or scheduling reminders. The best part, it learns how you speak. So, instead of sounding robotic, your responses feel personal. I used it to handle busy work like email triage and calendar updates, and honestly, it saved me about 2 hours a day. But it's not perfect. There were moments where it overstepped, like replying to things I would have worded differently or misfiring commands. So, you do need to supervise. It is best for people drowning in routine digital tasks, not for anyone needing full control at all times. Bottom line is, it is helpful, especially if you've been managing multiple platforms. Just think of it as your assistant, not your replacement. And that's my honest review of Vercept V. For more real world tech breakdowns like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Literally.